This one will be the blouse part. I'm gonna showcasing you, and this one will be the pallu part, guys. Yeah, and on the both the edge of the side you will be getting shiny border, guys. Yeah, and I know like these are some of the concepts which are highly preferable also. It will be the Jaipuri Chanderi cotton concepts in which you will be getting here. Beautiful varieties you want to be getting here. That will be the total different but little bit embroidered work saree you will be getting here. This will be the beautiful fabric, beautiful artwork done in the pallu, guys. You want to be getting here. See how beautiful it was. And apart from those, from the starting at the range of 95 rupees to 115, 125, 300, 200, 250, 400, 450, 500. So guys, in today's video, I'm showing some of the classic items, in particular Suti cotton, guys. Yeah, many of the comment section are there. Please give the ranges, please give the ranges. So for that, I have to saying, from the starting at the range of 95 rupees to 115, 125, 300, 200, 250, 400, 450, 500, 700, 800 till 1000, 1500. That kind of the concepts we are having in our cotton section. In my opposite, the fancy cotton is also there. So no need to worry, guys. And apart from that, let me tell you guys, we are the one of the genuine manufacturer in today's concept, guys. Yeah, we are one of the genuine concepts in today's manufacturer. We produce some of the 15 to 20 different ladies wear category, guys. Yeah, 15 to 20 ladies wear category. In particular, we are mentioning some of the next level concept, guys, in which you are new to describe those concepts. And apart from that, give your comments in below. Our team will read those comments and reply also, guys. And many of the varieties you are seeing in today's video, that's are new and highly preferred and highly moving and running according to our company sales executive person. Customers are purchasing this kind of the concept, guys. Many of the varieties I'm going to showcasing you. Please have the screenshot and send it to the screen available number. This one will be the blouse part. I'm going to showcasing you, and this one will be the pallu part, guys. Yeah, in the fabric of some of the jute cotton kind of concept fabric, you will be getting digital flowerized concept also, guys. These kind of the beautiful variety I'm going to showcasing here. Summer beauty. The name of the concepts will be summer beauty. Another next variety I'm going to showcasing you. See, guys, how beautiful it was. And on the both the edge of the side you will be getting shiny border, guys. Yeah, and I know in the camera you are asking the question that how the highlighted color was, guys. So I have to tell truth that any of the company, guys, any of the brand in menswear, all the ladies wear, many brands are there. I have to tell you that whatever the fabric, whatever the color it will be, some after the 1 wash, 2 wash, 3 wash, little bit color will be faded, guys. But different of fabric will be more. That's what you have to look up and check up for it. So since 1977, we are in a particular fabric, guys. Yeah. These complete product we are manufacturing in last several years, but in the fast starting we are having in the fabric business, guys. So our fabric is one of the guaranteed and one of the reputed fabric in market, guys. That's what I'm saying. And next product I'm gonna showcasing. This will be the pallu part, and this will be the whole body part of saree, guys. This will be the whole body part of saree. I'm gonna showcasing you. See, guys, how beautiful it was. And apart from that, guys, next variety I'm going to showcasing you. Like these are some of the concepts which are highly preferable also in many of the southern region also. And our highest reselling concept will be Jaipuri cotton, guys. I want to say you. Yeah, this will be the Jaipuri Chanderi cotton concepts in which you will be getting here. And the look you're going to be having, this will be this, guys. See, it will be the look you are having here, guys. In this look, you will be getting total beautiful concept, guys. See how beautiful it was this. And in this also, the ranges and the concepts you are getting here all will be the new, and designs also different and the colors also different, guys. This will be the sets you will be having, guys. See, suppose this will be the next product. In this set, one of the major benefit for the business person will be that in the whole set of like 9 pieces, 10 pieces, 13 pieces, 12 pieces, you will be getting different designs also with the different color shades also. See guys, this will be the Jaipur Chanderi cotton. You will be getting in these kind of the varieties. See guys, these are some of the grand concepts which are highly preferable in the southern region also. In some of the flexible cotton fabric you will be getting here. See how beautiful it was this, and on the both the edge of the side you will be getting in these kind of the variety, guys. See, this will be the concepts on the beautiful varieties you want to be getting here. And rather than that, guys, this will be the blouse part with beautiful contrasting designing blouse also you will be getting here with the nicely fabric. And the next variety I want to showcasing you, that will be the total different but little bit embroidered work saree you will be getting here in the fabric of cotton, guys. See how beautiful work you will be getting with the multicolor threading work, guys. See, have the screenshot and send to screen available number for the further details and inquiry. And in this also you will be getting 6 to 7 different color shades also. Next variety, something in the black color, guys. Yeah, something in the black color I'm gonna showcasing you. This will be one of the hit product, guys. See guys, this will be one of the hit product in which you will be getting these kind of the extraordinary designs in pallu. How beautiful it was this. In this also you will be getting these kind of the beautifully designed and contrasting designing blouse, guys. See, this will be the contrasting designing blouse also you will be getting here. And the ranges, like previously I said, from the 95 rupees to 1500, that kind of the concepts we are having here. And apart from that, next variety I'm going to showcasing you, last but not the least, this will be the beautiful fabric, beautiful artwork done in the pallu, guys, you're going to be getting here. See how beautiful it was this. And apart from those, the whole work in the body you will be getting in these kind of the concept, guys. In this same exact 6 to 7 different color shades you will be getting. Single piece will not be delivered. And apart from that, guys, give your precious opinion, reviews or feedbacks in our comment section. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया।